Very nice. Hello. Yo, what's up? So we are in Kuta Square, and it's night already. It's about, what time is it actually? I will check quickly. It's about
around
8 o'clock.
Special request from someone that sent us email that he really missed Kuta nightlife. So today we will strolling around Kuta to show you how Kuta life at night.
Okay, so that's how it looks, the situation. This is the Sandok Square. The bar. It's nice, open. Some life over here. This is the Yoshinoya. That's basically Kuta Square. We'll see how's the life over here. Well, you wanna say something?
Well, normally when the normal situation, this area is always busy and even traffic, and then you even cannot park your bike or your car.
Yeah, that's right. But now, yeah, it is how it is. Some cars driving around, but not much traffic. At least we could park our Jimny on here, so that's the positive point.
Yeah, so I don't know what to say. Some shops, as you see, they are closed, that maybe will never open. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also over there is the Matahari.
Yeah, we've got a request also from someone that who wanted to know how is Matahari in Kuta Square. Like this shop, it's closed, and this garden is closed. Maybe will never open anymore. And yeah, some shops are still open. McDonald's still open, and this shop, yeah.
At least McDonald's is open.
So yeah, that's Matahari Kuta Square. Unfortunately, it's closed permanently. So sad, I know. Some shops are still open and then give discount, special discount, like this shop. And then I think there is a restaurant, Dulang restaurant, yes, open.
Many shops are also closed, like this one.
Like this one for lease. If you wanna lease a shop in Kuta, maybe planning to have a business in Bali, this is the time. You know, maybe you can buy a property in Bali with a very good price. Yeah. So this is how.
So actually not much is happening.
Not much is happening.
It's quite a strange feeling walking here when you know it's normally so busy now.
Hi there, go.
Scares me today. Normally they are peaceful. This is
Yeah.
like an escort.
Yeah. So
So basically it's very quiet.
now we will head to the area of Pantai Kuta. Oh yeah, this one. Many shops are. What should I say? Closed and leased. Yeah, KFC. I think that the only one shop that do not close is KFC and McDonald's.
So here's the KFC. If you're gonna go straight, it's Legian. And basically that's how it looks, situation over here. At the front over there is the Kuta beach. Horses. Very nice. Hello. Also over here is some nice restaurant, but not so busy. Planet Sport if you wanna buy some shoe. Also very sad view of the Matahari, like Winny said, is closed. That was quite loud about that in news. So sad. At least McDonald's is still open. So this is the area of old McDonald's in the Kuta beach, but as you know it's closed unfortunately. But here is some life, actually some traffic and some cars. This is the Jalan Popis 1 entrance over here. I mean at the front where is the Sayang right now. And then this is the Kuta Bali bar. Quite famous place also. So that's how it looks live.
I think that somebody also stays.
Oh yeah, somebody's staying over there. There are lights, as you can see. So it's not as bad. And we are heading into the
Hard Rock Hotel area.
Hard Rock area. Here Yoshinoya is closed. Kuta Beach, some drivers.
Yeah, mostly like when the normal situation, you are not allowed to park your car along this road.
Yeah, over here you are not allowed. But now, I think it's okay, yes?
It's okay.
It's okay. Seems as it's okay. Here are some warungs. Over here is the Mercure Kuta, and I hear some music over there.
I think that there is a wedding ceremony.
Maybe.
I mean, a wedding reception.
Wedding reception, maybe. Maybe. It's some life in Kuta, hard to say at night. It's not super busy like used to be, but it's also not like used to be months ago.
All right, so because of it's not that busy, let's go to beach walk now and let's see how it is now in beach walk.
Yeah, let's go to the beach walk. And the entrance to the Poppy Swan. Here we go. Welcome to Poppy Swan. Alright, so we arrived to the beach walk mall. As you can see, Zara, some cafes, restaurants, some people around. Maybe not so busy because it's already 8 o'clock. However, yeah, even Starbucks. We are heading into shops direction right now. No, some people here anyway. It's not as bad. Also quite many bikes outside, as you can see, which is really not so bad. Some life. The main entrance situation like this. Michael Kors, transformer with some kind of elephant talking. Pull and bear, so a little bit of the Western world here also. Not so bad. Just simply that's how it looks live in the beach walk. Honey, wonder if we're gonna meet the Pikachu today, honey.
No.
Everyone who are watching us longer, you know about Pikachu, the story. We will see. Meanwhile, enjoy the beach walk. Simply that's how it looks live. Yeah, some people actually here, which is not so bad, and most of the shops are open, especially if you compare to the Discovery Mall. Not so bad. Planet Sport, again, if you wanna buy the sneakers or any kind of sport clothing, this is the right place. Used to buy my Nikes over here, not so bad. This is some Japanese warung, I don't know, t-shirts, H&M, speakers, playworks, money changer, in general, yeah. Some sort of life over here. We are going now to the gardens. At the front, where it's also dark, is the Sheraton. But this mall have a very nice garden, like open air area. Yeah, that's how it looks live in beach walk. For everyone who used to spending in this place your time in Bali.
Yeah, so we were here many times, but I can say that the most busiest vibe in Kuta is only at beach.
Yeah, that's
The
true.
rest will be quiet, like
like Discovery Mall is so. Oh, I nearly fall down from the from the stairs making a vlog. Honey gets scared. Oh my god! But that's how it is anyway. Now Sayang holding my arms and like squeezing me so heavy. Be careful how you step. Okay, and here is the food market. Warungs for the, well, let's say tourists, because obviously it's not really like a street food. And to compare to the other countries like in Singapore or Malaysia, the street food court is much more expensive. In the mall especially, I'm not really sure why, but anyway, that's how it looks. They are open something like at the beginning last year or 2019, so it's pretty new place.
This morning, Damian told me that he really missed the mall in Singapore.
Yeah.
So that's why I took him here, you know.
Yeah. To be honest, yeah, I really miss vibes of Singapore and Malaysia. I don't know why. It's so lovely to be in Bali, but it's something missing, right? Like a big malls and skyscrapers and stuff like this. Anyway, that's how it looks like over here. And we're gonna go to the different level, yes? That's how it looks. Beach side and the street and the parking area. It's not so quiet, but also not so busy. But things are getting better and better.
Alright, so after strolling around Kuta, you know that we were walking from Kuta Square and here, so we feel so thirsty. And we decided to have a coffee and cake here because they have promotion for that. I don't know what's the name of the cafe, but I think this one is the most busiest cafe or restaurant in the beach walk.
Yeah, it's just at the front, where is the entrance to beach walk, as you can see, with the lovely view. Let's wait for the coffee, yeah? And that's how it looks situation from the outside of the mall. The beach front, motorbikes, quite many motorbikes. And the main entrance to the beach walk, as you can see, so beautiful, so nice. Our beautiful cappuccino and cake arrive, and Sayang have latte.
Alright, I think that's all for today from Kuta, guys. So this is our update about how Kuta nightlife. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya.